owuok kanyo to nyalo konyo nawa. Kadhi nyime ruoth ma Homa Bay town location Joshua Ochogo ema osedhi kaka jatend ruodhi duto, mano senior principal chief e county Homa Bay.
Ochogo osidhi e nyasi mane otelie gi commissioner mar county no Moses Lelan.
Ochogo koro kao komno kuom Jacob Nyang'or mane weyo komno bang' ne odhi e rutaya alia beach ni gilerno.
E nyasi mane obagi e lap majwa Kali ground sebuma ma Homa Bay, Ochogo ne osidhi ayanga kaka jatend ruodhi te manie county kata senior principal chief ka koro kao kar Jacob Nyang'or ma osebedo e komno kuom higni 4. Commissioner ma Homa Bay Moses Lelan mane otelo e nyasi no okoni kuom ruodhi 10 manoro kwayo margi ni lemo makamano bang' chenro madayo dhoggi. Ochogo ema nowuok jaloch.
Kati ya zile counties ambazo kulikuwa na nafasi ilikuwa Homa Bay. Na nafasi ya principal chief ni moja peke yake kwa kila wakati. Wakati wizara ilitangaza, pia katika county yetu tukaitisha applications from all the chiefs who were qualified. Walikuwa 10. Lakini wakati ilifika ofisi yetu tukapiga msasa, tukaangalia hapana. Wale wengine labda miaka bado iko chini, labda hawakuwa wamemaliza the requisite period of time. Results ilitoka baada ya muda na serikali iliweza kutambua ya kwamba Ochogo ndiye atakuwa senior principal chief katika county ya Homa Bay.
Leland bendelero mkukum tije majatend chief eno biro bedo katimo kautiyo machiegni koro tenda rita kwe county.
I've served government continuously for 37 years, 26 years of which I have been chief. I want to appreciate the residents of my location who have allowed me to serve them. During the service, we have achieved a lot in terms of security, illicit brews crackdown, education of our children, and many more.
There is also the implementation of Nyumba Kumi initiative. Naamini hiyo mnafahamu, si ndio? Because this is very important, this is very critical. Gathering security intelligence on the ground and sharing with the relevant authorities, monitoring and reporting movement of aliens, ni kuwa na public barasas, mahala ambapo utakuwa unawazilisha ujumbe za serikali kwa wananchi mara kwa mara. Kuna mambo ya registrations bado itakuja pale, identification of deceased.
Ne utiyo gi thuolo no mar golo chik ne ruodhi kaachiel kod jolupgi e county mondo bed ka kedo aduwa gi moyiwe ki nyithindo matindo manyiri e gwenge magirito.
Tuchukue nafasi to speak out against cases of gender-based violence and teenage pregnancies na mambo ya ukimwi. Kwa sababu hayo mambo yote yanaandamana. Unapata watoto wachanga miaka 10, 11, 12 wamefanyia unyama. Na sisi tumenyamazia. Wengine wanaanza kufikiria labda sijui ni nini. Hakuna civilization ambayo inaruhusu dhulma dhidi ya wasichana wadogo.
Bang' sitho mare ayanga kaka jatend chief e county ma Homa Bay, Ochogo koro nigi ting' matiyo machiegni kod tenda rita kwe county e weche mag rita kwe kaachiel kod weche mamoko matiyo sekta mar rita kwe county. Alia Beach, Ramogi TV, Homa Bay.